Good morning. This is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson with your weekly weather briefing this October 15th, 2018. As brief highlights, I'll be talking about how we're expecting overall a cooler and wetter week with no hazardous weather this week. The first of two cold fronts is expected to arrive today. This will be followed by wet weather Tuesday into Wednesday, but dry weather is expected by the middle of the week. A second cold front will arrive on Saturday. That'll bring rain chances Friday and Saturday, but Sunday looks to be cooler and drier as well. And then I'll give a brief update on the tropics. Okay, for today, this graphic's depicting a cold front that'll be moving across our region. Most of the rainfall associated with this front is expected to occur along and behind of the front. There may be a few showers and thunderstorms ahead of the front this afternoon across our southeast zones, none of which are expected to be strong or severe. The rain chances for today kind of spread out across the area, with the heaviest, or I should say the highest chance for rain across the southeast this afternoon, where a thunderstorm or two may be expected, but in the north generally light rain will fall throughout the day. This will be the last day where temperatures are generally expected to be warmer than normal for much of the area. As we get into tonight, the cold front will be pushing south of our area. However, with southwest flow aloft, will continue to develop rain across much of the region. So even though we have a cooler, drier air mass in the wake of the cold front, we'll still have rain chances extending tonight into Tuesday. As far as temperatures go, we're expecting cooler than normal temperatures across our very extreme northwest, but still warmer than normal across much of the area. Our normal lows for this time of year run in the lower 50s. And as you can see from this graphic, we're expecting rain chances across our whole county warning area. The rain will continue Tuesday, even though the front will be stalled along the northern Gulf Coast. For Tuesday, we'll see the rain will continue across much of the area, and daytime highs will be cooler. Our normal highs for this time of year run in the upper 70s, and as you can see, much of the area will be well below normal tomorrow. On Wednesday, there will still be a lingering chance of light rain, especially in the morning, but by afternoon the rain will be tapering off, and by evening we're expecting dry weather. The dry weather will last into Thursday as a strong center of high pressure builds across the area from the mid-Mississippi River Valley across the Ohio River Valley. As we get into Friday and Saturday, the high pressure will continue at the surface to continue to shift to the east. There will be an approaching cold front by Saturday. This will allow for moisture to resurge back into the region and lead for rain chances developing by Friday afternoon and continuing into Saturday ahead of the cold front. The cold front is currently expected to move across the region on Saturday. As this cold front is expecting to be a clearing cold front, strong high pressure in its wake will bring cooler and drier conditions for Sunday. When it's all said and done, we're expecting a decent amount of rain across our region, especially for the middle part of October. This graphic depicts generally on average 1 to 2 inches of rainfall across the area. To summarize the weekly forecast centered around the Jackson metro area, we can see that the warmest day of the week is expected today, followed by much cooler conditions the rest of the week. There'll be a chance for rain today and Tuesday, but that rain will taper off on Wednesday, with drier weather expected Thursday. Rain chances will increase Friday into Saturday, with dry weather expected on Sunday. Our normal lows again are in the lower 50s across the area, so you can see that even the overnight lows, however they'll be cooler, they'll still remain generally above normal. until you get to the weekend in the wake of the Saturday's cold front. As far as a brief tropics outlook, there's a broad area of low pressure that's in the southern Caribbean. It shows about a 40% chance of developing into a tropical cyclone over the next 2 to 5 days. Again, that concludes this week's multimedia weather briefing. As always, thanks for viewing.